Hello, everybody. Guess where I'm at? I'm at good old Wally World. Listen, I'm in here and I want to talk to you about a good way to get started online earning money, and that's affiliate marketing. In many stores, just like Walmart, has a program where you can get a link for products that they offer. They're not your products, but they're products sold at Walmart or even Target or Best Buy. Some of these places have affiliate marketing programs. You get a link, place it on your social media sites, your blog, or other means of getting the word out there. Is like word of mouth marketing, and you get paid a commission. You don't have to have your own products, and all you need is internet access. Hey, like the cell phone I'm holding. So, if you want to learn how to do internet marketing, online marketing, check the link in the description. I'll send you to a free course, and it'll help you get started with making money online. Now, it's not get rich quick, and it does take dedication. So, if you like to learn, we have experts that will show you how to do it. So, hope to hear from you soon. Take care. God bless.